Welcome to Afro and Kinks. It is a pleasure to meet who? You. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly straighten your natural hair featuring Aria Beauty hair tools. Let's go. I recommend starting off with a protein-based shampoo or conditioner to give your hair some strength before you use heat styling products. Then follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment. I know this looks super weird, but trust me, it is very beneficial. After washing the deep conditioner out, I put my hair into these little bantu knots to help stretch my hair before blow drying. This reduces tangles, knots, and eases with the whole detangling process because that is a headache. Now go in with a light leave-in conditioner. Make sure it's light because you don't want anything weighing down your hair. Add your heat protectant. You need a heat protectant. Now comb your hair. You could use a wide tooth comb or a detangling tool, whichever you prefer. This detangles your hair and evenly distributes the products throughout your hair. I will be using Aria Beauty's Unicorn Mini Blow Dryer. Just look at the colors, and the packaging is so beautiful. I love this ombre color. To start off, I am using the tension method. That is when you hold the ends of your hair very taut and start blow drying from the roots to the ends. I was super surprised at how quick my hair stretched and dried. That is not normal for my hair at all. So, Aria Beauty, you are doing something right. The tension method is just one way to blow dry your hair. Next, I will show you the other method. This is the chase method. As you comb through your hair, the blow dryer must follow. So the further you comb down, the further the blow dryer must go. Don't forget your ends. My ends are super stubborn, so this might take a while. This is what one part of the back section is looking like. Not bad so far. These are the results of blow drying. Fluffy, beautiful, natural hair. To flat iron my hair, I will be using Aria Beauty's Salon Series Infrared Styler. This infrared heat styler moisturizes hair from the inside out, so long-term damage is avoidable with this product. This straightener has 1-inch ceramic plates that are infused with tourmaline crystals. It reduces static and frizz, also has a 9-foot swivel cord. Time to flat iron. I put the flat iron close to my roots, but not too close. And I place the rat tail comb below, and I slowly pass the flat iron through my hair. Once again, I have the flat iron, and I put the rat tail comb below, and I slowly pass the flat iron through my hair. This reduces me having to use the flat iron on my hair numerous times for that one section. Simply limiting the passes. With this piece, this was my second pass. The maximum passes you should do is about 2 to 3, but let's try to stay within that 1 to 2 range. Look at that shine! This flat iron brought out my hair's natural shine. And plus, I have a little bit of hang time. This is what the back of my hair is looking like after I straightened it. Do not judge my ends. They need to be trimmed, but overall my hair looks healthy. My hair doesn't look dull, and it is so easy to comb through. Stiff wear. This is the final result. What do you think?